be doing YLOC 4th grade worksheet, lesson 1. And today what we'll be doing is addition and subtraction, place value, and word problems. So for addition and subtraction, this is actually pretty easy. What you have to do is just do 70 plus 80. Just look at the place value, 0, 1, 5. So the first one's going to be 150. Now we're going to jump down to number 5. So 30 plus 30 plus 30. When doing this, just look at the place values that are like. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3, that's 9. And because they have the same one value, it's just going to be 0, so this one's going to be just 90. Similarly with number 7, 34 plus 44, we can just do that first. That's 7, and then 7 plus 55, that's that, 12, 12, and then that's going to be 132. Okay. Moving on, we're going to be doing some subtraction. Number 1 says 70 minus 40. That's actually shouldn't be too bad either. Same thing as this. 70 minus 40, that's 3 down here. 0, so 30. Number 3 is 76 minus 69. 16 minus 9, that's going to be 7. And then 6 minus 6, that's just 0, so this one's just going to be 7. Now we're going to do number 6, 103 plus 17. You have to carry it over. 10, 9, 13, and 13 minus 7, that's 6. 9 minus 1, that's 8. So this one's going to be just 86. Alright, moving on, we're going to do the place values. We're going to determine what place value the bolded digits are. Answer as ones, tens, or hundreds. To answer these are pretty easy actually. You go by this. So this is going to be 100. This is a 10, and this is a 1. So if we know that, then 2 is going to be a 1. And now this is 1,000. This is 100. This is a 10. This is a 1. 3, it's going to be 100. Okay, let's do something more complex like 4. This is 10 million, 1 million, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1. Here, the ones here, so this is going to be 100,000. I can't write, sorry. And then we'll do 6, 1,000, 100, 10, 1, 7, so that's 1,000. Alright. So now we're going to do some word problems. And it says, for the first one, it says, you and your 4 friends have 26 eggs. If you want to put all your eggs in one basket, how many eggs are in the basket? So if you and your friends have 26, okay. But then let's look at part A. It says, if you instead split them evenly into 2 baskets, how many eggs would each basket have? And that's actually what we're only doing is we're just dividing. So it's going to be 26 divided by 2. Or if you need help, you can just do this. That's going to be 1, 2, 0, 6. How many times does 2 go into 6? That's 3 times. So then, yeah, A would be 3. What about 5 baskets? So 5 baskets, you would do 26 divided by 5. And that would be 5 times. We have a remainder of 1. So there would be 5. How many eggs would be inside? There would be 5 eggs inside. Okay, well, we're gonna go to number 2. Codicia has $4.29 in her pocket. If she is only carrying dollar bills, dimes, and pennies, she has less than 10 of each. How many dimes is she carrying? So let's first do part A. How many dollar bills? Because we know we're gonna look at place values. The first value over here is $1, so we know that's 4. Pennies is the last value, and that's 9. Okay, now we're going to look at this one. Anna has 253 balls, Brian has 0 balls, and Cameron has 2 balls. How many balls do they have in total? How many balls do Anna and Brian have combined? 253 plus 0, it's 253. Anna and Cameron have combined 253 plus 2, 255. Brian and Cameron, 0 plus 2, that's just 2. Okay, we're going to now do this. Jack has 320 Pokemon cards, Silas has 150. How many more cards does Jack have? And whenever it says how many more, you know it's subtracting. So 320 minus 115, that's going to be 2, 12, 10, 5, yep, 2, 12, oh yeah, wait, hold on. sorry, 320 minus 115, that's gonna turn into 1, and then that's gonna turn into 10, 5, 0, 1. So how many more? 105. And yep, that's it.